Hello students, good morning. Students, today is 8th August 2020 and your last chapter of Half-yearly syllabus, chapter 6 was going on, and the name of the chapter is Social Responsibilities of Business and Business Ethics. And this is your page number 1 of today's class. Students, in the last class I have studied about that which type of the steps that has been followed by the business enterprises for environmental protection. Okay, in this I have explained to you about point number 1. There are some points here also that has been remained, so today I want to continue such points. Okay, so second point is related on this. There are some types of the responsibilities, some types of the actions that has been taken by the business enterprises to remove the environmental protections. Okay, so second point is such commitments should be such commitment should be communicated throughout the enterprise, communicated throughout the enterprise, throughout the enterprise to all divisions, to all divisions and employees. Okay students, it means which type of the actions that has been taken by the business enterprises, that type of the commitment, that type of the statement should be also provided to the all the divisions, all the level of the employees. Okay, third point, formulating policies to control pollution, formulating policies to control pollution, such as purchasing good quality raw material, purchasing good quality raw material, comma, using scientific methods for treatment of waste, wastes, etc. These types of the policies can control the pollution. Okay students, fourth point, participating in government programs, participating in government programs of prevention of pollution, such as clearing up of polluted rivers, plantation of trees, etc. So which type of the programs that has been run by the government, so it is also involved by the business enterprises to improve such type of the things to reduce the pollutions. Okay, then fifth point, periodical appraisal of pollution control, critical appraisal of pollution control programs in order to increase progress with respect to environmental protection with respect to environmental protection. So such type of the programs that has been also launched by the company, and on the basis of that type of the controlling program, appraisal has been done by the business enterprises to employees to any other types of the parties that has involved in that type of the pollution control work. Okay, and the last point is arranging workshops and training materials workshops and training materials with suppliers, dealers and customers to get them actively involved in pollution control programs. It means that type of the activities that has been also performed by the business enterprises. Okay, and that type of the activity will be related from the pollution control programs. Okay, students, so these are related from the steps that has been followed by the business enterprises to reduce the pollutions in the environment. Okay, so if the businessman has follows that type of the criteria, that type of the steps, so it is sure the society will get the benefits on that type of the efforts of the businessman. So at last we can say, if you want to clean your environment, so it is our duty also to save it, and don't do any type of the activities as like noise pollutions, as like air pollutions, or any other types of the things that will be creating the problem in the society or in the environment. Clear, students? So now, students, only the last topic of this chapter is remaining. Okay, that is related from the business ethics. Okay, this is the last topic, business ethics. Students, remember, I am teaching you each and everything, either that is related from your syllabus or that has been cut from your syllabus in this year. Because if you if you will not study about the cut syllabus, so in the next year maybe you will also face some problem in your next year in your 12th standard. So here I will teach you each and everything, but which the points that has been cut from your syllabus, that type of the point will not come in your exam. Okay, so don't worry about this, but study each and everything. Okay, so listen about the business ethics here. So students, before explaining the business ethics, first I want to tell you about the ethics. What is ethics? So ethics are the moral values or principles one believes in. It means that is the principles or rules or regulations. If you follow that type of the principles to perform your duties in the business, to perform your duties in the regarding the societies or any other types of the work, so it is sure you do not do any type of the thing in wrong way. Okay, so that is based on the ethics is based on the moral values or principles of any type of the things, and it is necessary to believe on that type of the principles and rules. Okay, first write it about it. What is ethics? So ethics are the moral values or principles this is your page number 2 of today's class. So I was there. Ethics are the moral values or principles one believes it. Okay, it is very difficult to say that for others what is wrong or what is right. Okay, you cannot say about any that type of the things क्या गलत है क्या सही है, but you can also decide that type of thing ये गलत हो सकता है ये सही हो सकता है on the basis of the principles means सिद्धांत, rules, regulations. So on the basis of that type of thing you can tell it about that. So what is wrong or what is right, but being ethical means doing things which do not harm others. It means with the based of that type of the ethical things, it means that type of thing will not be give any type of the loss to any type of the other parties. Okay, so at that type of thing that is based on the ethical. Okay, ethics. For example, I want to take one example here. For example, producing goods with good quality raw material, producing goods with good quality of raw material, charging fair prices are the ethics a business enterprise must follow. So that type of the thing is based on the ethics. If any type of the producers has produced the goods not related from the good quality of the product, that has been used the low quality of the product, low quality of the raw materials, and after that they have also charged the unfair trade prices from the customers, so that is not based on the ethical value. So that type of thing is unfair deal. Okay, so if that type of thing has been followed, good quality of the product, good quality of the raw material has been produced by the businessman, and after that fair prices has been also asked about the services, asked about the goods, so that type of thing is based on the ethics. Okay, so these are based on the ethics. Now listen about the business ethics. What is business ethics? Business ethics refers to the moral principles or rules of behavior which should govern moral conduct of businessmen. Okay, that type of thing is based on the business ethics. So you will write it here. Business ethics refers to the moral principles or rules of behavior which should govern moral conduct of businessman. Okay, that type of the rule has been governed by the moral conduct of the businessman. Okay, so that is main reason for the business ethics. So on the basis of that type of thing, they suggest to change the paragraph, you can write about the quality of the ethics, business ethics. They suggest the ways and means of running a business which are morally justified and are influenced by expectations of society, employees or government. So that type of thing is based on the business ethics here. So you want to write some example here also. Examples of business ethics. Okay, as like I want to give here one or two example. Paying taxes with honestly. So that is also based on the business ethics. Second example is giving fair treatment to workers. Okay, or you can also write using fair weights for measurement of commodities. That is also based on the business ethics. Using fair weights for measurement of commodities. It means when you have purchased any type of the things from the market, that is based on the weight. So if the businessman has measure it in a fair way using fair weights, so at that time that is based on the business ethics also, because at that time they are following the principles, they are following the qualities of a good businessman. So at that time, students, I already told you about the ethics and business ethics. If you have any doubt, then students, you can also ask the query about it. In the next class, I will start the elements of business ethics. Okay. In the meantime, if you have any doubt, then you can also ask the query with me without any type of the hesitation. Okay, students, आपको अगर कहीं कोई भी डाउट होता है without any hesitation आप हमसे क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं. Okay, but start studying, students. Okay, so in the next class I will start its elements. Okay students, so आज की क्लास में इतना ही.